Welcome to FarmyBloom. Let's discover how a rambutan grows.
Grandpa, what are we growing today?
Rambutan. Let's grow it together.
Grandpa, what fruit is this?
This is a rambutan with a unique hairy skin.
Where does rambutan grow naturally?
It originated in tropical Southeast Asia.
What kind of soil does rambutan need?
Rich, fertile soil with good drainage.
Is our rambutan ready to grow?
Yes, its roots can now settle into the soil.
Why are we watering it?
Water helps the young roots grow.
What's happening underground?
The young roots are spreading through the soil.
Look! New shoots are growing.
Yes, the tree is starting new growth.
The new leaves are opening.
Yes, fresh leaves help the young tree grow.
What are those tiny buds?
They're the beginnings of rambutan flower clusters.
The flower clusters are blooming. Yes, soon insects can help.
Pollinate them.
Grandpa, what are the bees doing?
They help pollinate the flowers.
Grandpa, are those tiny rambutans?
Yes, the young fruits are beginning to form.
The rambutans are getting bigger.
Yes, they're growing on the tree.
How do we keep the tree healthy?
Water the roots and care for the soil.
Are these insects harming the leaves?
Yes, so we should protect the tree carefully.
How can we protect the tree?
Keep it clean and care for the leaves gently.
They're getting much bigger.
Yes, the rambutans are continuing to mature.
The rambutans are changing color.
Yes, they're getting closer to ripeness.
They're turning bright red.
Yes, the rambutans are nearing full ripeness.
Are they ready now?
Yes, these rambutans are fully ripe.
Wow! How? Our rambutans are ready.
Yes, let's harvest them carefully.
Why do we wash them?
To clean them before we enjoy them.
Grandpa, what does a rambutan look like inside?
It has white flesh and one seed.
Is rambutan nutritious?
Yes, it provides vitamin C and fiber.
Look at our beautiful harvest.
We cared for it together.
What did our tree teach us?
Care for nature, and it will give back.
Why does rambutan have hairy skin?
That unusual hairy skin gives rambutan its name.
Wow! Like, subscribe, and tell us what fruit to grow next.
See you in the next FarmyBloom story.